5 simple strategies to monetize your TikTok videos easily. TikTok is a social media app where users can create and share short videos. As of February 2022, TikTok has over 200 million active users. There is no one-size-fits-all answer to the question of how to make money from TikTok, as the best approach for each creator will vary. In this video, we consider the 5 best TikTok monetization strategies. Number 1. Take part of TikTok Creator Fund. The Creator Fund is a monetization method of TikTok. The Creator Fund's revenue varies for each user and is determined by factors such as the size of your audience, the quality of your user engagement, and the frequency with which you publish videos. To join the TikTok Creator Fund, you'll need to meet some criterias. Check the article in the video description for more information. Number 2. Selling products directly to your fans. There is no doubt that selling products directly to your fans is a powerful marketing strategy. By engaging with your fans directly, you can generate more sales and a good amount of revenue. Most popular type of products are print-on-demand products. You can design your own t-shirt, mug and many items. Only thing you need is a TikTok brand account and a significant audience. Number 3. Sponsored videos. Creating and sharing sponsored videos is another profitable way to earn money on TikTok. These videos have ads that are displayed before and after the video. Sponsors can pay to have their name or logo displayed in the video. Number 4. Virtual gifts on TikTok Live. TikTok Virtual Gifts is a new feature available on the TikTok app. It lets your fans give virtual gifts to you when you live streaming on TikTok. They can choose from a variety of virtual gifts, such as virtual stickers, virtual cards, and virtual food. These virtual gifts are unique from others which can be redeemed for payment. Number 5. Get premium subscribers. This means you can offer exclusive content for paid subscribers outside the TikTok app. There are many platforms you can use for this. The simple example is the Patreon. Content providers benefit from subscription-based revenue models, because it generates constant monthly revenue. You can increase your revenue on TikTok by following some simple rules. First, use good videos that are interesting and engaging. Second, make sure that your videos are well made and have good lighting and sound. Finally, promote your videos through social media and other online platforms. Hope you enjoy the video. Like the video and subscribe to the channel.